Are you ready for the next vintage wedding dress restoration? Well, let's get started. This gown was donated by a follower. Her name is Sarah, and she said this wedding dress was from 1952. She also included the veil and a bonus green dress. This headpiece was made with wax flowers, and something felt so familiar about this green dress. From the tiers to the lace, even the styling of the center bodice. So imagine my delight when I turned over the tag and found out it was a Gunny Sacks dress. I'm really excited to restore this one. There's something about vintage Gunny Sacks dresses that I just can't get over. And this one's gonna need a little bit of work to get it looking good as new. I'll have some stain removal to do and to replace that little ribbon in the middle. On to the wedding dress. Sarah's great-grandmother had encouraged her mother to try to look for a fancier dress. Much to her dismay, she adored this dress. Personally, I love the simple details. And I feel like the silhouette on this is gonna be gorgeous. The back is currently a bit of a mystery to me, but I'm sure it will reveal itself soon. It appears that maybe these ruffles were tied into bows and there's long trains of ribbon behind it. If you'd like to see this restoration from start to finish, make sure you follow along. I'm so excited to share more about it, and thanks for watching.